Good morning. It is March 6th, 2025. I'm in southern Germany, just outside of a town called Garmisch-Partenkirchen, and we've had a very mild winter. There hasn't been much snow at all, which means the mountains are quite bare. And I'm going to take advantage of that by going up what's known as Hoher Fricken today, and we'll bypass a waterfall called Flugfußwasserfall. I'm probably saying that wrong, but in all these languages I can never get it right. So I'm going to record the whole thing, and you guys can enjoy. Check it out. Alright, so we're coming to our first piece of signage today. I've just walked 30 minutes from the village of Oberau. I'm heading towards Farhant, which is another 40 minutes, and then we'll be going up Hoher Fricken, like I said, which is 1,940 meters high in the sky. Can't wait to get up there. It's going to take us about 4 hours from here, obviously with some stops. And it looks like today I'm just out on a little bit of a golf course. Morgan. So for anyone looking to do the trail from Oberau to Farhant first, I just followed these red marking trails and they'll bring you to a sign right up here that says Farhant Flugfußwasserfall Hoher Fricken. And that's exactly where we're going today. Wie weit kannst du springen? So how far can you jump? And then you have all these different signs for different animals: Reh, Rothhirsch, deer, Fuchs, which is a fox, Hasse, which is a hare, Marder, marten, and a Waldmaus. Pretty cool that they have all this stuff. And then this is the pit here you have to jump. Should we just try and see how far we can go? Why not? I gave it all I could do with one shot, and it looks like I jumped about 3 meters, so I'm about as far as a fox. Not bad. This just might be the perfect place to cool down once I get back from the top of the mountain. So we've just made it to Flugfußwasserfall. It's such a beautiful waterfall. I love it here. This is my third time coming here. I've never been up the mountain, but just the waterfalls alone. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know how much I love waterfalls, and this one is definitely up there. It's amazing. Once you cross over that bridge down there, you get up to the higher part of the waterfall, which I'll show now. And you come to these signs that basically say the next part of the hike is an alpine experience, and it's for experienced hikers and people with good footing and a sense of height as well. So be extremely cautious from here on out. But let's see how dangerous it really is. Just got to this beautiful viewpoint over Farhant. I decided to take my jacket off. The sun's on me now, and hiking up I'm just cooking. But I had a carrot, took a little break, got some water. We're gonna continue. Let's go. So I've just stumbled onto this little hideout on the side of the mountain. I'm about 700 meters in altitude away from the summit of Hoher Fricken, and I would say 1.5 kilometers in trekking left to go. But I kind of underestimated this hike, and I've used up all my water already. I still have an apple, so I got some apple juice, I guess. But it's been an amazing day so far. And like, you got the Alps over here, and it just goes into the foothills until the rest of Germany. Wow, this is incredible. Well, I was expecting this to happen. The temperatures have dropped significantly. I'm on ice now because I'm in the shadow of the mountain, and I have about 300 meters to go to the summit. So the path is beginning a little bit more sketchy. There were some sheer drops on the trail, so I can understand why it's more for experienced hikers at this point, but still a lot of fun. I mean, passing those waterfalls and now coming up these switchbacks, the little hut. It's been a really rewarding hike for just walking out my front door. It's amazing. Taking a little break here. I just went through some very difficult stuff, a lot of ice, snow. I was using both my hands to basically find any leverage I could to get up. I'm just under 200 meters to the summit. It's somewhere in like that general area. I should be seeing it pretty soon. Whew, it's so nice to relax in the sun now because my hands were freezing from that. But a little break and then keep going. You can see the summit cross now. Hoher Fricken. Not too much farther to go. Oh, it'll be nice to knock this one off the list. I've been staring at it for 4 months. I just broke over the top of the mountain, and this is all new views for me. It is gorgeous. We only have a little bit more till we're at the cross, and then mission complete. Whew, my legs are beat today. That's it. Officially made it to the summit of Hoher Fricken, 1,940 meters up. Got my little town of Oberau down there, Fachern, and the town of Garmisch-Partenkirchen, and Zugspitze, the tallest mountain in Germany actually, 2,962 meters, so another 1 kilometer higher than where I'm standing right now. All right, well, here's some drone shots. Enjoy the video.